Hello students, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss community health nursing important questions for the nursing officer exam. Either it will be of CHO, it will be of AIMS, DSSB, RRB, JIPMER, any of the nursing officer exam. Most of the questions these are asked from this video that have been added and these are being added. The first question is WHO defines health in 3 dimensions. The dimensions are physical, mental and social. Epidemiological triad include, triad means 3 things. One is agent, host and environment. Agent is having the capacity to cause the disease. Host is having the capacity to make the agent to live in the body. And environment, if the environment is suitable, the agent will grow into the host body. Action taken prior to onset of disease is primary prevention. Prevalence, it is a proportion. What do you mean by prevalence? The old and the new cases, these will be the prevalence. Prevalence include point prevalence and period prevalence. Point prevalence means the old and the new cases at a specific point of time upon estimated population multiplied by 100. Period prevalence means the old and the new cases in a given period upon estimated mid-interval at risk multiplied by 100. Because it is calculated in 100, it is a proportion and it includes old and the new cases. First case to come to notice of an investigator is index case. Drug of choice for prophylaxis of meningococcal meningitis is rifampicin. It is anti-tubercular drug. Positive sick test is done for diphtheria and the sick test is performed intradermally. Polio stool sample are transported into reverse cold chain method +2 to 8 degree Celsius. Most common complaint of IUD insertion is bleeding. Grassroots level workers in healthcare delivery system are Anganwadi workers, trained birth attendant and ASHA worker. Father of modern epidemiology is John Snow. First true epidemiologist was Hippocrates. Barometer of social welfare is measured by TB. RCH program came into 1997. World Diabetic Day is celebrated on 14th November. You can learn that the children, they are so cute. So that's why on the 14th November, the Children Day and the Diabetic Day is celebrated. Headquarter of WHO is in Geneva and it is established on 7th April 1948 in Switzerland. Red Cross Society established in 1920. Multi-drug therapy is used for the treatment of leprosy. Health Survey and Developmental Committee is Boer Committee. You can learn it with BD. BD means some persons they are smoking BD, some persons they are taking cigarette. So BD is B is Boer Committee and it is a developmental committee. Health Survey and Planning Committee is Mudaliar Committee. You can learn it Mudaliar. Mudde pe case who will do? The MP. That is Member of Parliament. So Mudaliar Committee includes Planning Committee. Committee of Multi-Purpose Worker is Kartar Singh Committee. UNICEF established in 1946. These are the very important questions. The disinfecting action of chlorine is mainly due to formation of hypochlorous acid. The formula is HOCl. Which test is used to find out the amount of residual chlorine present in water? That is orthotoluidine test. For disinfecting of 1000 liter of water, how much gram of bleaching powder is used? 6.8 gram. These are very important. These 3 are very important questions. Rest all are also repeated questions in many of the nursing officer exam. If you really enjoy the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.